Hey everyone, I'm Andrew, and welcome to Tech Check. In today's video, I'll be unboxing the Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse. I've been wanting to get a wireless gaming mouse for a little while now, and been going over my options and pricing things out for about a month or two. But then after noticing this one, with the 11 programmable controls, as well as the two performance modes, performance and endurance, the fact, of course, that it's wireless, and the recent price drop, my decision was made for me. So I bought it, and here it is. So let's take a look at it. Before we get into it, let's quickly look over the box. Of course, you got the brand Logitech up there, picture of the item. Also the model number and what it is down here, G602 wireless gaming mouse. So, alright, let's check out the left side. Here we have, of course, some Logitech branding, model number. Then right below that, you have what's in the box. Of course, the mouse, the receiver, extender cable, two AA batteries that are pre-installed, and then your user manual. Right under that, you got the requirements of what you need. So basically Windows 7 or higher, Mac OS X 10.6.8 or higher, powered USB port, and an internet connection, and 100 megabytes hard drive space for the optional software download. Now, if you want to program the buttons, which is probably why you're getting this mouse, you will need to download this software. Then, of course, under that, basically same information. If you don't read or speak English, that can be for you. Let's check out the right side of the box. Alright, on the right side, of course, we have Logitech at the top, the model number, what it is, and just some more bullet points, some information you might want to know before buying a mouse, like tracking, the 250 to 2500 DPI, and I know you're going to say, hey, my mouse has 10,000 DPI, but do you use 10,000 DPI? And if you do use 10,000 DPI, this mouse isn't for you. But myself, I've never really gone over 2400. I just find that too fast for me, so this mouse is actually perfect. Then responsiveness, you got the glide, the durability, which we already said, you got buttons left and right, 20 million clicks, which is great. And then once again, same information, multiple different languages. Alright, checking out the back of the box, just got a few flashy bullet points, information about the item, like 11 programmable controls, high accuracy Delta Zero sensor technology, up to 250 hours of wireless gaming. Also, that's no BS. From what I've read, that's actually true. And then on the fly adjustable DPI from 250 to 2500, which I just spoke about. LED battery life indicator, which is right here. Performance and endurance modes to maximize battery life, which is this switch right underneath that. And then primary micro switches rated to 20 million clicks, as it said, where was it? Somewhere up. Oh, on the other side, yes. Those left and right clicks there are rated for 20 million clicks, which I believe is a decent lifespan for the life of a mouse. After 20 million clicks, I think it might be time to buy a new mouse. And then once again, same information in a couple different languages. But that's about it for on the bottom, of course, gotta check the bottom. See if you can read this here. That's the 3-year limited hardware warranty in, again, multiple different languages. Then on the side here, you have Logitech's address. It says that it's USB, recyclable, some serial numbers. I'm not sure if I should be showing that, but oh well. But that's about it for the actual box. So how about we slice these couple pieces of tape there and open it up. So I just went and grabbed my little multi-tool here that has a little small knife in it that I'm going to use to cut these little pieces of tape on each side so we can get into this box nice and easy. Always remember, cut away from yourself when you're using something sharp, even though this isn't very sharp. Just always cut away from yourself. Oh, and I was about to not cut away from myself, so how about we just cut that little tab right there. There we go. Now we should only have to pull this little flap right here. Oh, is it coming? Yeah, there we go. And this should just lift off. Oh, open these. One more flap. There we go. about we put this down here and just pull this right out to show the mouse. Oh, there's something underneath. Let's get everything out of the box first. Here we go. Got the documentation. Oh, there's a little box is empty. A USB extender, I believe. Right here we have the Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse setup guide. The Logitech important safety compliance warranty information. Alright, so you don't necessarily have to read that little patch on the bottom of the box. And what we're left with right here is, of course, our Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse. So after taking everything out of the box, we're left with the main unit here, the mouse itself, the G602 mouse. It seems to be in a little blue protective piece of plastic with clear protective plastic over top to hold it in place. We'll just remove that and throw it to the side. Then, of course, what we're left with is just the mouse, so we'll pull that out and throw this little blue piece to the side. Alright, this is the mouse. This is the Logitech G602 wireless gaming mouse. Let's take a quick look at it. On the top here, you have buttons left and right click. You have a nice smooth scroll button, but the scrolling itself, there is a bit of a click to let you know every time, like you can feel it, you can't hear it, but it's there. Underneath you have the program button, which changes between endurance and performance, which also changes your battery life from, I believe, 9 months to 250 hours. On the right side, you can see it's kind of, if you can see, kind of a textured plastic here, which feels pretty good, feels kind of grippy. It should be good. We'll have to learn more after maybe a gaming session, but it feels fairly good. Then right here, you for your palm, have a nice little rubber grooved area. It just your palm rests on, and yeah, that's also feels fairly grippy. Andrew, learn to speak. Then on the side here, oh, if I didn't say, you have the 10 and the 11G buttons, which I believe are preset to your DPI quick change. Now going to the side, you have your 6 programmable side buttons, which, when down, feel very easy to reach with the thumb. If you can hear that, they are quite clicky. There's a nice tactile feel to them, letting you know when you've pushed your button. Then you have this nice little lip here for your thumb to help you with gripping, moving it around. If you gotta make those fast movements, your mouse ain't gonna go flying. Then of course on the bottom here, you have a little tab. I believe that's to activate the battery or like make the contact between the battery and the mouse. You have the on-off switch here. You have little pads right there, there, and there, which I believe are the 250 kilometer use pads. As I said, I've never measured my mouse use in kilometers, but I guess Logitech does. You have a nice little peel right here, which let's see if we can get this off all in one piece. Oh yeah, what a horrible peel. Oh, horrible, horrible. Oh, it's not a one-piece peel. All right, let's get the other piece. Oh, there you go. There's your ASMR peel. ASMR for everyone. New tag on the video. Anyways, there's the peel gone to reveal nice, oh, glossy plastic. That's gonna get dirty. It's already picking up dust, but that's okay. So how about we just pull this and activate it? Oh, there, nice little click. Lets everyone know that that's activated. And as you can see, the light is turned on, letting you know that the mouse was powered on. Oh, I guess that light goes away. That's also your battery indicator light. So let's switch this to see if, there we go. Now it's green. And then, oh, it's a bit tight. There we go. Then back to blue. So that light works great. Now, what that light means, let me just go over with you. So the G602 gaming mouse actually has 2 modes. It has the green, which is for endurance mode, which is advertised to have a lifespan for your batteries of 1,440 hours or about 9 months. Then if you flick this switch up, you're going to put that in performance mode, which is blue. This indicates, well, the blue obviously indicates that you're in performance mode, but in performance mode, that takes your battery life down from 1440 hours to 250 hours. But that also puts it in 1 millisecond response mode. So it's a bit of a trade-off, but 250 hours is still a long time for a wireless gaming mouse. And another neat feature about this is it has 2 AA batteries, but can run off just one. This, however, will cut your battery life in half. Talking about the batteries, to access them, you just bend this little lip down right here above the Logitech logo. There's a little area for your finger, if you can see that. Just go in, you push that down, pull up, showing you your little battery area, as well as the little USB carrier. So you never have to worry about this when you're traveling or anything, because you always have a space to keep your dongle. That's one of the worst things I hate about wireless mice, is there's no place to keep the dongle. So that's the first thing that's always going to get lost. Oh, and as another thing, this is only 500 hertz polling rate. This isn't 1000 hertz, it's only 500. So I guess we're going to have to, maybe in another video, match that up against my Logitech G602 Hero, which has 1000 hertz polling rate, and see if I can tell the difference. Well, thanks for watching my unboxing of Logitech's G602 wireless gaming mouse. I'm quite impressed with this and really can't wait to get some testing done. But if you're interested in learning more about this mouse, or possibly getting one for yourself, be sure to check the description where I have links below posted where you can do just that. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up, leave a comment, and possibly subscribe. I'm Andrew, and this was Tech Check.